Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Matab Mirza, and in this vlog I will show you around Montreal. This is Style and Labo Antique Shop in Saint Laurent Street. I find this place really cool and very aesthetic. After taking a stroll on Saint Laurent Street, we felt hungry and we wanted to grab a snack, so we went to Fugazi Pizza and ordered margarita. After walking on Saint Laurent Street and capturing the beautiful mural art all around Saint Laurent Street, we headed to Old Montreal, and we wanted to explore the very famous cafe called Crew Cafe. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It is one of Canada's famous. The architecture of the cafe, it's amazing. It's like you are somewhere in Europe and look at the details of this, but unfortunately the cafe was closed, so I had to make a video from the outside, and I was mesmerized by how beautiful the architecture of this cafe was. And we were still hunting for a good cafe, and we bumped into Tommy Cafe. We have already tried that before, and it was our second time. It is a very cool, small, artistic cafe. And I asked the guy if I can make a video while he's making my coffee, and he was cool with it. Old Montreal feels like walking through a living museum, where every cobblestone street, church spire, and stone facade tells a story. From the silver dome of Marché Bon Secours to the timeless charm of Notre Dame de Bon Secours Chapelle, the architecture here is more than buildings. It is the heartbeat of the city. Now, come on, let's join me on a boat tour to the panoramic view of the Montreal city.
Why does this boat have these? These red bags are if you want to
connects the Atlantic Ocean to the 5 Great Lakes. Right in front of you, we have our first bridge along the way called the Jacques-Cartier Bridge. It was opened in 1930 and originally named the Harbor Bridge. About 4 years after its opening, it was renamed the Jacques-Cartier Bridge. Alright, we're actually going to be making our very first stop right here in front. After World War II, we also added all the names of the sailors who lost their lives during that war. So it's about a 45-meter tall tower with 192 steps to get to the top. Unfortunately, since about COVID-19, you are no longer able to do so because of some unfortunate events. In 1984, the Old Port Society invested about $2.5 million to do some renovations on $1,000. It's quite a weird beach. You can just visit. So this was the American Pavilion during Expo 67. That is the place to go. This ride at the home the Goliath, that red, yellow, and blue ride. It's about 2.5 minutes of pure fun. And it has quite a steep first drop. In just a couple of seconds behind the trees, we're going to be able to see the first drop of the Goliath. from the US and Canada, because some companies did bring some merchandise from here to the 5 Great Lakes. So why the Port of Montreal is less used now is the original project for Habitat 67 was supposed to be about $45 million, but what you can see right there is just about $22 million. Have a lot of fun, but you always leave empty-handed. It is the old French pavilion. Here in front of the Victoria Bridge. This is the most recent bridge on the Saint Laurent Street. To your left, you can realize the bridge is not made in a straight. More of the current and all the weather changes and the harsh weathers we have here in Montreal. So let's see if that works us for us. Greatest view of what I believe the best view of the city skyline of Old Volcano. If you guys are searching to do a little bit of some fun activity outside, it's a great little city of Montreal. But in front of you guys, those big brownish reddish buildings.
After the boat ride, we were also hungry and we were in search of a delicious and good food. And we ended up in a Southeast Asian restaurant called Kanji in Dorval. This restaurant is inspired by truck art. It is all full of neon colors, as you can see in the video. It was clean and full of Pakistani art. And the food there was amazing. It's exactly like dhaba style food, desi food. And we ordered chicken karahi along with mash ki dal and some Afghani naan. It was delicious. We enjoyed our food. We also ordered some Chinese, and we ended the day with the good and delicious food, and we were happy. I hope you guys like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you guys like me to make more videos like that, or if you want me to stick to juicing videos, please do let me know in the comments below. So eat well, live well. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.